Hello and welcome to Somtips. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use the GPS based smart cycle pedal cycle by Zoom Card and how you can rent this cycle. All these things I am going to show you in this video.
Right now guys, this is the pedal by Zoomcar cycle and this is the digital cycle. You can pay and use, and this is totally GPS based cycle. And this is the cycle. Here you can see we are right now in Kolkata, and here you can see this is the code. You have to scan this code to unlock this using your mobile, and your Paytm balance should have to be at 10 rupees. So this is a rent based cycle. Just download this Zoomcar and pedal.in and scan this QR code, because you have to scan this QR code and enjoy your trip. Value is about 1 rupee per 30 minutes right now. So here you can see pedal by Zoomcar, Kolkata, Bangalore, and many other cities right now available, and this is the IT park of Kolkata, that's why it is available. So people are going to use to go to office or school in the morning and go to end this in the night side. So this is a very useful thing. And here you can see you can adjust your height. Here you can see this is the adjustable height, and you can lock it there. So, and this is the cycle, and this is the bell, the new type of bell. Here you can see rotating bell, not the tapping. So, and brake is also very good. And don't think about to steal this cycle, because there is the GPS system is enabled, so they will caught you using a GPS. So here it is. So maybe this lock may be open, but don't know if there is any inside GPS. It may be tracked. So just forget it about. And there is a host of the host means the renting of the office. So one man is going to operate this cycle, and who is going to charge the device using the current. So here you can see safety tips is there, please lock the style. So you have to lock. Without locking, don't leave cycle anywhere, because any kind of damage or stealing will happen. You will be the just responsible, and you cannot put your cycle anywhere. You have to put in the pedal registration. So right now I'm going to mobile and I'm going to show you how to book everything and how to download the Zoomcar app. So let's go to the mobile. So guys, here you can see the Zoomcar app, and when you go into Zoomcar, use Google or Facebook login. So here you can see that you can also rent cars. So I'm not going to show you how to rent car, but right now I'm going to show you pedal. Pedal, you can also pedal.in, or you can using this. So this is the map is going here. Here you can see the road is showing. This is the Newton Kolkata area, and if you zoom out this, and there you can see many cycles. Green are available, red are not available, locked. That means if anyone have booked during the morning going to office or college, they have just booked it and locked it in their own places. So that is just going to lock, but it has been accessible. So just go and click unlock cycle. So as soon as you click unlock cycle, look at here. A screen of the QR code will be open. So I am now right now going to scan the QR code of that cycle and going to unlock. So here you can see I am just going to scan this code. So that is the code is going to be scanned. So here you can see it is loading. This cycle is under maintenance. Please try another bike. So here you can see I am now just going to scan the code, and here you can see the minute duration and total trip cost. One is showing there, end trip is there, lock cycle, unlock cycle. So using that lock cycle or unlock cycle, you can have the idea and you can book this cycle. So here you can see this has been locked. So as soon as I click on unlock, it will be unlocked. Cycle has been unlocked. So you can see it has been unlocked, and if you press on lock cycle, so it is asking to slide down and then lock. So if you press lock or unlock, it will not unlock. You have to do it manually. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to write it. Here you can see I am just riding this cycle, and this is a very funny thing and very good thing. And inside Kolkata, you are getting cycle as 1 rupee. This is a very good thing.
So you can see I have taken the trip. It is showing Bishwangla near an in trip start trip time is showing that. So there is 44 minutes and 2 rupees have been charged. So up to 1 hour it will be 2, and here you can see it has been deducted rupees 2. But the bug is that after getting completed the amount will be deducted from your Paytm account. So this is the bug, because if you are going to be zero balance in Paytm in between after starting the trip, then what it will be happen, they cannot deduct you from your Paytm account. So this is the bug of payment. I hope it will be fixed very soon. So that was the video and review. Let me know in the comment section, do you wanna ride on this kind of cycle or not? How do you like this kind of concept? So do comment in the comment box, and like this video, share this video.
To get more, subscribe to Somdeep right now. Hit the bell icon.